Have you ever dreamed of a pen? Maybe you were writing something, or maybe you were just holding it. But that pen might actually mean more than you think. A pen isn't just a tool for writing. It can represent the ideas hidden deep in your mind, the emotions you've been holding back, or your desire to leave your mark in life. So, what could the pen in your dream be trying to tell you? Let's uncover its hidden meanings together. Dreaming of a pen is often connected to your ability to think, express yourself, and create. The pen is a symbol of turning ideas into something real. In a way, this dream reflects the thoughts that are forming in your mind but haven't yet been shared with the world. Maybe you're working on a project or preparing to make an important decision. This dream reminds you to organize your thoughts and put your feelings into words. A pen can also reflect how you communicate. If you're usually quiet, this dream could be your subconscious urging you to speak up and express what's inside. If you're already outspoken, it might be suggesting that you find clearer or more meaningful ways to share your ideas. The meaning of a pen dream can change depending on the type of pen you see. A pencil represents flexibility and the ability to change your mind. Since pencils can be erased, this may mean you're still uncertain or reconsidering a decision. A ballpoint pen symbolizes permanence, decisions or actions that can't easily be undone. It can also show that you finally made up your mind or are ready to stand by your choices. A fountain pen is tied to creativity and emotional expression. It may be time to explore your artistic side or express your feelings more deeply. Colored pens reflect emotional variety and creativity. Maybe you're craving more color, excitement, or emotional openness in your life. Writing with a pen in a dream often symbolizes inner clarity and emotional release. Writing helps organize thoughts, and this dream suggests that you're trying to make sense of confusion or uncertainty in your life. Holding a pen also relates to a sense of control. It means you're either in charge of your life or want to regain that control. If the writing in your dream is clear and legible, your goals are well defined. But if the writing is faint or messy, it might indicate uncertainty or lack of direction. Breaking or losing a pen often symbolizes a lack of motivation or a breakdown in communication. Maybe you feel like you can't express yourself properly. You have something to say but can't find the right words. This dream is your subconscious telling you it's time to release those bottled up emotions. A pen that stops working represents delays or obstacles in reaching your goals. It doesn't mean failure. Rather, it's a sign to pause, reorganize, and try again with a new approach. A broken pen isn't always a bad sign. Sometimes it marks the end of an old mindset and the start of something new. It can mean that it's time to let go of outdated ideas and rewrite your story. This dream symbolizes courage, the strength to turn the page, start fresh, and see life from a new perspective. Receiving a pen in a dream symbolizes inspiration, wisdom, or learning. It could mean that a new idea or valuable advice is coming your way, perhaps from someone more experienced or someone who believes in you. Giving someone a pen shows your willingness to share what you know. It means you're ready to teach, guide, or inspire others with your thoughts, knowledge, or creativity. It's a positive sign of growth and generosity. The color of the pen adds emotional depth to the dream. A blue pen represents calm, balance, and trust. It suggests that you're looking for peace and emotional stability. A black pen symbolizes seriousness, authority, and commitment. It may mean it's time to take a more decisive or responsible approach in some area of your life. A red pen represents passion, energy, and sometimes conflict. You might feel under pressure Or maybe you're standing up for yourself more strongly than usual. How you feel about the pen in your dream matters a lot. If you're comfortable while using it, that's a sign you're finding your voice. You're finally able to express your thoughts and feelings more openly. But if you're struggling to hold the pen, it symbolizes inner pressure. You might be worried that whatever I say will be misunderstood. This points to a need to improve the way you communicate with the world around you. Dreaming of a pen isn't just about an object. It's about your thoughts, your creativity, and the desire to make your mark on the world. The pen reminds you that your words and ideas hold power. Power to create, to connect, and to inspire. If you love exploring the hidden meanings behind dream symbols, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. After all, every dream is the whisper of a mind ready to write its own story.